you know that kiwi fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition? In just one small fruit, you can find a multitude of health benefits. Rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, kiwis support immune function, collagen production, antioxidant activity. They also contain vitamin K, vitamin E, and several vitamin Bs. Kiwis are not only delicious but they are also a fantastic source of dietary fiber. This fiber aids digestion, promotes bowel movement, and supports gut health. It helps with weight management and provides a feeling of fullness. Unlocking its antioxidant power, kiwi fruit is packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and various phytochemicals. These antioxidants help protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to chronic diseases and aging. The combination of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in kiwi fruit supports heart health. It helps lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Did you know kiwi contains a unique enzyme called actinidin? This enzyme aids in the digestion of proteins, improve digestion, and reduce symptoms of bloating and discomfort. For your eyes, kiwi fruit is a wonderful source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidant known to promote eye health. They protect against age-related muscular degeneration and maintain good vision. With their high water content, kiwis contribute to hydration, helping to regulate body fluids and support overall well-being. The vitamin C and antioxidants in kiwi fruit plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. They aid in collagen synthesis, promoting skin elasticity and protecting against damage caused by free radicals. For those seeking weight management, kiwis are a perfect choice. They are low in calories and fat while being high in fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack option. Lastly, kiwi fruit has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. It's a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to regulate their blood sugar levels. So, why wait? Embrace the incredible benefits of kiwi fruit and experience its nutritional wonders. Your body will thank you. Did you know that kiwi fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition? In just one small fruit, you can find a multitude of health benefits. Rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, kiwis support immune function, collagen production, antioxidant activity. They also contain vitamin K, vitamin E, and several vitamin